Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to boost your conversational English with 20 essential questions you'll use in daily life. This is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to brush up on the basics. I'll say the question, then repeat it slowly for pronunciation, and I'll leave a short pause for you to practice saying it out loud. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. What is your name? Let's say it slowly. What is your name? Your turn. Number 2. How are you? Slowly. How are you now? You try. Number 3. Where are you from? Slowly. Where are you from? Your turn. Number 4. What time is it? Let's break it down. What time is it? Go ahead. Number 5. Where is the restroom? Slowly. Where is the restroom? Your turn. Number 6. Can you help me? Slowly. Can you help me? Now you. Number 7. How much is this? Slowly. How much is this? Your turn to practice. Number 8. What do you do? This means what is your job? Slowly. What do you do now? You say it. Number 9. Do you speak English? Slowly. Do you speak English? Your turn. Number 10. What is the weather like? Slowly. What is the weather like? Try it out. Number 11. Where do you live? Slowly. Where do you live? Your turn. Number 12. Can I have the menu, please? Let's say it slowly. Can I have the menu, please? Now you. Number 13. What are your plans for today? Slowly. What are your plans for today? Your turn to speak. Number 14. How do you get to work? Slowly. How do you get to work? Give it a try. Number 15. Do you have any siblings? Siblings means brothers or sisters. Slowly. Do you have any siblings? Your turn. Number 16. What is your phone number? Slowly. What is your phone number? Go ahead. Number 17. Can I pay by credit card? Let's break it down. Can I pay by credit card? Now you. Number 18. How long does it take? Slowly. How long does it take? Your turn. Number 19. What is for dinner? Slowly. What is for dinner? Try it. And number 20. How do you feel today? Slowly. How do you feel today? Your turn. Great job, everyone. You've just learned 20 super useful English questions. The key to mastering them is practice. Try to use 1 or 2 of these every day. Repetition will make you more confident. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.